Red one?
This is for the exploding challenge.
This is the red dye.
Hopefully it doesn't explode.
Whoa.
No, it looks like blood.
Odin, come here. It's about to happen. Where's the green one? We're gonna put green one in this one.
Hopefully it will be big.
Oh my gosh.
I'm
Bubbling.
scared.
It's not gonna actually explode.
No, it isn't. It's just gonna bubble out of the thing. Okay, that's good. That's good. A green one and a red one.
Oh, the Christmas colors.
Yeah,
Wait, what was it again?
Christmas colors.
Christmas.
Colors.
Prima.
What's that?
Now what are we supposed to?
I gotta get my yeast here.
Oh, yeast?
Yep.
Or you can put some Mentos in there, then it'll explode.
Yeah, but that only happens with Coca-Cola.
But this is Kool-Aid.
It's not Kool-Aid.
Wait, it's food dye.
Food dye.
Food dye! Food dye! It looks like blood.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, that one.
That one looks a lot like blood.
I know. I can't wait. I don't want to know what it's gonna look like.
It's gonna be foaming at the top. That's all I know.
Right up there.
All I know is that it's gonna be foaming at the top.
I see bubbles.
It's gonna be foaming at the top, Odin.
Look, there's bubbles on top of it.
Oh, can you just move your chair real quickly
Why?
so I can have enough room for my leg?
Okay.
That is disgusting, Odin. You're doing the exploding challenge.
Blow time.
Exploding water bottle.
Okay, I'm almost ready.
I'm putting my
I gotta
camera.
warm my water up just a little bit.
Pour a little bit of that in. Warm that water off.
Yeah, warm the water just a bit.
I put
Pour it in the yeast.
I put my camera.
Okay, watch out so you don't tip that.
I touched your cam.
I touched the can.
I touched your cam. Can I pour it in?
Ooh, let's see it.
Yes, you can pour it in.
Yay! Do I pour in the whole thing?
Pour about half into one and then half into the other one.
Okay. Then it might explode.
It's gonna foam.
Oh, it's gonna foam.
out.
It's gonna foam out at the top.
And then it's gonna be a big
One
mess.
last look at this.
One nice look at inside.
Why do you have goosebumps, Odin?
I don't.
It feels like you do.
No, I do not. I do not.
We are the pajamas. We're the pajama crew.
Yeah.
Hey, don't distract your camera. Get that camera out of my face. Remember Oria said that?
Yeah.
Get that camera out of my face. Alright. We're using Aquafina water. Purified water.
I'll put some in here.
Purified water. That actually looks like milk.
Yeah, smell it.
Oh. It smells like french fries. It smells like french fries.
Okay, which one you gonna put it into? Okay, we're ready. Slowly.
Oh, wait a second.
Since red's my favorite color. Ew.
Oh, it's foaming.
Oh my god.
It's foaming.
Oh.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, that is
Hold on, let me pour this one in.
cool.
Okay, let's see the green.
Okay,
I'm
let's see
filming
what
this
it-
for Mom and Dad real quickly. For them to see it.
Oh.
I'll just pour all of it in
Oh my
there.
gosh, oh my gosh.
Whoa! Oh,
That's so cool.
Yeah.
oh, that's
That's
so
it,
disgusting.
mint.
Yeah.
Look, it's like a
Looks
waterfall.
Wait a
mint.
second, can you touch this
Yeah, you
foam?
can touch it.
That is so cool.
This is like my experiment at school.
Yeah.
That is
Oh, it's still moving.
That is so cool. Look at that. They're combining with this side. Okay, hold on. Let's scoop a little bit up.
Ew.
This is real. This is real foam right here.
It smells like soap.
Yeah.
It honestly does
This
smell
is
like
still
Dove
coming
soap.
out. Look at it.
It's still coming. This one is too.
Yeah.
That is
First
super
it
crazy.
smells so nasty. Now it smells like
Yeah.
soap.
That's because the
worked out
water
pretty good.
dissolves into the
Soap.
like the water in the thing.
Look, it's
like
like-
it
it's like a
dissolves.
waterfall.
It's like a waterfall.
Yeah. So this would have been good for your volcano.
This would have been good for my volcano project.
Yeah, you can do this for your volcano project.
But
Oh,
it.
you know what I would mix up
already
with
did
these
What?
Kool-Aid.
Oh.
This Kool-Aid that would be that would be smelling super
Dude.
good.
It's still pouring out.
It's
of
still
it.
pouring out of this one too.
It's still pouring, dude.
That is
That looks-
super cool.
Actually,
And also,
that's
let's
all
look
it
at that.
goes.
It's almost like forming right here.
Yeah.
There's like still metal or
Still metal in there.
still foam. It's still foaming.
It looks kind of.
Oh, squeeze it.
Oh! Ah! Ew! That's so disgusting.
This would be super cool. Oh, looks like it's honestly puking.
Looks like it's a puke. Oh wait, dump it. Dump it.
Oh, who
Dump
dares
it.
us to dump it?
Dump it.
Let's see what happens when we dump it.
Dump.
Oh, look at mine. It has
It's
a
like
bump.
ketchup.
It honestly does look like ketchup. And now
Oh my gosh!
now a bubble.
That looks so huge.
That looks super duper cool.
Oh, no,
it
you
popped.
it.
Don't worry.
You popped it.
Whoops. That looks super duper cool.
Pop, pop.
That looks so cool. That looks so cool, right, Odin?
Yeah.
All right.
Why does it smell like